Experience the pinnacle of automotive surveillance with our hand-picked selection of the finest 4K car dash cams available. Designed to capture every moment in stunning detail, these cutting-edge devices provide unrivaled clarity, ensuring you never miss a beat on the road. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best 4K car dash cams you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the DDPAI Dashcam 4K, the ultimate companion for your car. Ranked at number 5, the 4K Dashcam Ultra HD Edition is here to elevate your driving experience. Equipped with the powerful Sony IMX415, this 4K dashcam guarantees stunning picture quality with a high resolution of 3840 by 2160p. But that's not all. The RealQ technology enhances color perception, delivering breathtakingly natural images. Worried about nighttime visibility? Fear not. The infrared night vision feature, powered by the Starvis CMOS sensor and an f1.87 glass lens, captures crystal clear video even in the dimmest moonlight. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the Mini 5 Dashcam offers lightning-fast video transmission and hassle-free downloading and playback. Plus, the high-precision GPS, combined with the sleek SR 2.0 interface, elevates your driving pleasure to a whole new level. Concerned about parking? The 24-hour parking mode feature has got you covered. When a collision is detected, the built-in G sensor triggers the camera to record a 15-second video clip and locks it for later review. The price is $129. Meet the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dashcam, a true powerhouse on the road. At number 4 on our list, this incredible device offers not 1, not 2, but 3 cameras to ensure your safety. With a 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside the camera, and 160 degrees rear camera, you'll have complete coverage of your vehicle. Plus, it provides audio at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, giving you crystal clear recordings. Worried about driving at night? Don't be. The N4 features infrared night vision capabilities, thanks to its high-performance Starvis CMOS sensor and f1.4 aperture 6 glass lens for the front camera and f1.86 glass lens for the rear camera. Even in complete darkness, the 4 IR LED lights will accurately capture the driver and passengers. Come at an unbeatable price of $259. Discover the Yeecore Dual Dashcam 4K, ranked at number 3 on our list of top dashcams. What sets this dashcam apart is its real 4K Ultra HD quality. With a native 4K sensor and authentic 8 million super large pixels, combined with advanced ISP and 4D noise reduction technology, the D22 model delivers an impressive video effect that surpasses other 4K dashcams on the market. Capture every detail with the 157 degrees ultra-wide-angle front camera, ensuring distortion-free recording of the entire road. Plus, the 140 degrees ultra-wide-angle rear camera captures incidents from behind, safeguarding you from traffic disputes and potential liability issues. Equipped with superior night vision powered by the OVOS08, a 10.8 megapixel image sensor, and Sony HDR technology, this dashcam guarantees clear video and image quality even in low-light conditions. Available at the attractive price of $189. Introducing the Azdome Dashcam 3-channel, a top-of-the-line solution for all your recording needs. With its 3-channel setup, this cutting-edge device captures the front, cabin, and rear view simultaneously, ensuring comprehensive footage. The camera boasts an impressive resolution of 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p, delivering stunning 4K UHD videos at 3840 by 2160p. thanks to its Novatec NT96670 processor and advanced GC4653, Sony IMX307, and GC2053 ultra-low light capture sensors. Experience exceptional night vision with hidden infrared LED lights and a wide aperture of f1.8, ensuring superior image quality day or night. The 6-glass wide-angle lens with a 150 degrees field of view captures distortion-free images and smaller details like number plates with utmost precision, even in low-light conditions. Available at an unbeatable price of just $169. Say hello to the Redtiger Dashcam Front Rear, our top pick at number 1. Capture every detail on the road with its impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability. With Ultra HD 4K 3840 by 2160p and FHD 1080p resolutions, this dash cam ensures crystal clear footage, making it easy to read road signs and vehicle number plates. The front wide angle of 170 degrees and rear wide angle of 140 degrees minimize blind spots, offering comprehensive coverage during unexpected events like collisions. Experience superior night vision with the Redtiger Dashcam. Equipped with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture lens and HDR WDR technology, it captures crucial details even in low-light conditions. Manage your recordings effortlessly using the Redtiger app on your iOS or Android devices. Simply connect via Wi-Fi and enjoy features like viewing, playback, editing, and easy sharing of your travel moments with friends and family. Available for just $149. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.